What's the meaning of Barchester Towers? Barchester Towers. Barchester Towers.
Barchester Towers. Barchester Towers. Barchester Towers is a novel by Anthony Trollope, first published in 1857. The novel is part of the Chronicles of Barsetshire series and is set in the fictional county of Barsetshire. The story revolves around the struggle for power among the clergy of the Church of England and the fight for influence and status in the community. The title, Barchester Towers, refers to the grandiose setting of the bishop's palace, which plays a central role in the story. The novel also explores themes such as love, marriage, ambition, and social hierarchy, making it a timeless classic that remains relevant to this day.